Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add bank account to Apple Pay. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Apple Pay account. So here let's go to applepay.com website. So here you can see I have this Apple card user guide, and here it is explained how to add or remove bank account for online Apple card payments. So here what you have to do is go to card.apple.com and click on settings on sidebar. So here what you can do is you can add a bank account by clicking on the option. So you can add another bank account as well. So here next what you have to do is enter your routing number and account number, and then what you have to do is click next and confirm the routing number and account number, and then what you have to do is click save. So those were some steps that is provided by Apple guide themselves. So here I was about to show you on how to do this live, but here as you can see Apple card is only available in United States, so it is not available in my region, so I am not able to show you right now. But that's it. Those were some simple steps by which you will be able to link bank account to Apple Pay. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.